Welcome to WheelCheck Review. The 2026 Kenworth T20000 Motorhome Truck is a powerhouse of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, built for those who demand more from the open road. From the very first glance, it's bold and aerodynamic. Design stands out with a commanding front grille, sleek LED headlamps, and a robust frame engineered to handle both highway cruising and challenging terrains. The T20000 combines the muscle of a heavy-duty truck with the comfort of a premium motorhome, creating a perfect balance between utility and leisure. Under the hood, it's powered by a next-generation turbo diesel engine, delivering impressive horsepower and torque, ensuring smooth acceleration and excellent towing capacity for any adventure. The advanced suspension system and adaptive steering make long drives effortless, while the integrated safety features, including lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, provide peace of mind for every journey. Fuel efficiency has also been optimized, allowing for extended trips without constant refueling. Step inside, and you're greeted with a luxurious interior designed for ultimate comfort. The spacious cabin is fitted with high-quality leather seating, smart climate control, and a fully digital dashboard with a large infotainment system that supports navigation, streaming, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. Moving into the motorhome section, you'll find a modern kitchenette, a cozy sleeping area, and a full bathroom, all finished with premium materials and clever space-saving designs. The panoramic windows allow for breathtaking views, turning every stop into a scenic escape. Whether you're planning cross-country travel or looking for a mobile luxury retreat, the 2026 Kenworth T200 delivers unmatched performance, reliability, and style. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a statement of freedom, innovation, and refined adventure. This is a motorhome truck built to redefine the way you experience the road. Enjoy your journey and like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon.